Hello again, everyone. This is Mr. E, and today's lesson is Course 2, Evaluating Algebraic Expressions. I'm going to find the value of an algebraic expression. Our objective is find the value of an algebraic expression for a given value or given values of the variable. So back in Unit 3, we wrote algebraic expressions using addition and multiplication. We discussed how algebraic expressions help us represent real-life situations. I believe we used the example of you having a business, and every time someone clicked on your Instagram account buy now button, you earn $4.50, and so our expression was 450 times x, and did a table and a graph, I believe. And actually, when we did that, we were evaluating the expression. So what exactly does evaluate mean? We talk about evaluating expression, we're simply talking about substituting values for the variable. I'll back up just a second. So for example, we said 4.5 every time someone clicked your button. We didn't know how many times they clicked the button, so then we either just randomly chose some numbers, or maybe these were really how many times somebody clicked your Instagram button. So no value, value. Right? I'll erase that so you see what I'm saying. 4 and 5/10 x has really no value. But then once we give x a value, then 4 and 5/10 x has a value. So when we talk about evaluating algebraic expressions, we're talking about giving value to an expression. So for example, we have Sam is saving to buy a PlayStation 4 that costs 124 Kuwaiti dinar. He already has 25 KD and plans to save 10 KD a week. Complete the table to find the week when Sam will have enough money to buy the PlayStation 4. So we're going to evaluate this, or substitute the values for x to figure out when his value will be 124 KD. So go ahead and plug those numbers in for me, and let me know what you come up with. All right, so if we plug those in, if we say x equal to 0, we get the 25 KD. If we say x is equal to 2, then he has 45. All the way down to 12, he has 145. So how much money did he need? He had 124. So let's answer the question. When could he actually buy it? Well, he could buy it around 10 weeks. So our answer would be Sam can buy the PS4 after saving for 10 weeks. After 10 weeks, he'll have 125 KD, right? So we gave value to the expression 25 plus 10x. Before it didn't have a value until we substituted some values in for x. All right, so look at another example. After buying a PlayStation 4, Sam decided to continue saving money. This time, however, he decided to save 20 KD. He started with 21 KD in his savings. So first we're going to write the expression. We've done that before. And then we're going to evaluate it. Go ahead and pause the video and let me know what you come up with. All right, so the expression would be 21 plus 20x, or you could have used, what do we say, months? You could have used m, or you could have written it, you'll see a lot more often this way. Either way is fine, because remember, it doesn't matter what our order is when we're adding. So to evaluate the expression, we want to know how much he will save after a year. So if we said x equals number of months, then our x would have to be what in this case? It would have to be 12, because 1 year is 12 months. So x is 12. We're going to evaluate 21 plus 20x for x equal to 12. 12 times 20 is 240. So it's 21 plus 240, 261. So Sam will have 261 KD in the bank in 1 year. All right, so we're at 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and stop here, and then we'll finish up on the other side. Talk to you soon.